Leaving a job or just want to consolidate? Rolling an old 401k into a Fidelity IRA gives you more control and investment choices. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, open a Fidelity IRA, traditional or Roth, matching your old 401k type. Then, contact Fidelity's rollover specialists. They can guide you through the process and often handle the communications with your old plan. The key is to request a direct rollover. This means the check or transfer goes directly from your old 401k provider to Fidelity, made out to Fidelity FBO, your name. This avoids taxes and penalties. My crucial pro tip? Consolidate all your old accounts. Use this as an opportunity to gather any other old 401k or IRAs scattered elsewhere into your new Fidelity IRA. One consolidated account is far easier to manage, rebalance, and track for retirement. Take charge of your retirement savings and simplify your financial life. How many old retirement accounts did you have before you consolidated? For more retirement planning guides, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.